Every day, species around the planet are going extinct. And for each species that goes extinct, many more become and remain endangered due to habitat loss, poaching, human activities, and climate change. Some are so critical that they are teetering on the brink of extinction. All these threatened animals are included on the International Union for Conservation, IUCN, Red List of Threatened Species, a non-prescriptive list that is the world's most comprehensive inventory of the global conservation status of species. Found only on the island of Borneo, Bornean orangutans, Pongo pygmaeus, have a broader face and shorter beard than their cousins, Sumatran orangutans. This July, the Otter changed their status to critically endangered because their population has declined by 60% since 1950, and, according to Scientific American, new projections estimate that their numbers will fall by another 22% by the year 2025. Ili Pika, Ocontana iliensis, is a small mammal, only 7–8 inches long, that's native to the Tanshan mountain range of the remote Xinjiang region of China. Living on sloping bare rock faces and feeding on grasses at high elevations, this little creature is very rare. There are less than 1,000 left. The species was only discovered in 1983, but its numbers have declined by almost 70% since then, reports CNN. This is because its habitat is being drastically affected by climate change. Rising temperatures have forced the pikas to retreat up into the mountain tops. Found only in South America, giant otters, Otter brasiliensis, are the largest otters in the world, with some as long as 6 feet. They are also the rarest otters in the world, with only a few thousand believed to be surviving in the wild. Sometimes known as the river wolf, their fur is chocolatey brown and extremely soft. They also have a creamy white patch on their throat that is unique to each otter. Meg Symington, managing director of the Amazon for WWF, told Business Insider. The solitary and nocturnal Amur leopard, Pantherpardus orientalis, is one of the world's most endangered wild cats. It has a thick yellow or rusty orange coat with long dense hair, and can weigh up to 120 pounds. It can leap more than 19 feet, and it can run at speeds up to 37 miles per hour. Today, it is found only in the Amur River basin of eastern Russia, having already gone extinct from China and the Korean peninsula. According to WWF, there are around 60 Amur leopards left in the wild. The wildcat faces numerous threats to its survival, including encroaching human populations. As a member of the weasel family, the black-footed ferret, Mustela nigrips, is the only ferret native to North America. They have tan bodies, black legs and feet, a black tip on their tail and a black mask. They are highly specialized carnivores, with prairie dogs making up more than 90% of their diet. Black-footed ferrets evolved with prairie dogs, so they are long and tubular. Christy Bly, senior wildlife conservation biologist for WWF's Northern Great Plains program, told Business Insider. They evolved to be these ferocious little predators and they're designed to navigate tunnels and burrows. Named after the famous scientist Charles Darwin, who discovered the species in 1834, Darwin's fox, Lycolepex fulvipes, is found only in Chile in 2 places, the Niu Elbita National Park and the island of Chiloé. Dark in color with short legs, this carnivorous creature is active mostly at twilight and dawn. As the only Asian rhino with 2 horns, The Sumatran Rhinoceros, Dicerorhinus sumatrensis, is the smallest of the rhino family, living in isolated pockets of dense mountain forests in Malaysia, Indonesia and possibly Myanmar, Burma. They are recognizable because they are covered in long hair, which helps keep mud caked to their body to cool them and protect them from insects. They are one of the most endangered rhinos in the world, along with the Javan rhino, with maybe only 220-275 Sumatran rhinos left in the world, according to WWF. Greatly threatened by poaching, they are, like other rhinos, hunted for their horns. There is no indication that the population is stable and only 2 captive females have reproduced in the last 15 years. Subscribe, like and comment.